Prince Swanny, Relentless. It's been probably a year since I last reacted to Trinidad artist. Not gonna lie, even though I think I have a couple Prince Swanny on the channel. So we're gonna check out this one out. This came out a month ago. That was in December the 2nd. So we're gonna check it. This dude is actually pretty good though. I think he's actually one of the. Wait, who's that? Oh, Popcorn. Wow. That's crazy.
Big move, better late than never. Shoot for the stars. Show me all the friends and I can tell you who you are. Doing trouble, the trouble, cause the trouble will trouble ya. If you see a dog with 3 legs, let's break the other. Pull out all the stops, mount a boy, me know if you pray them want me drop me arm up to the teeth just like an army boss. Step out, yeah, look fabulous.
Dude, I actually asked somebody what's the deal with all the gold, man. Like in Trinidad, they love wear the gold chain and stuff like that. They said it's like prestige or something like that. I don't know, man. This entire gold situation.
Touch them, say me marvelous. Know why them still vex because the boy them cannot power with us. Me live my life so lavish, everything I feel have it. Humble is it all the key, but don't fuck with me money. Mad thoughts, running my family. Crazier than Roxanne Swan, that a me mommy. I no time fi idle and fi get out of poverty. Who know we say lucky. We the big dogs them a pop. We'll buy them up like road. All the while I them the road. Watch your bike a pull the stone, leave the froze, skid it up. Young entrepreneurs that make them jealous. Every ends we circle here, the links them just develop. Every day forget them one bone, just stay focused, keep your head up. When you're down, them not wrong, but when you up, them off your friend up.
Dude, this sounds so good, bro. I said before, I know that this guy is one of the top dude in Trinidad. So, cool, bro. Yo, that's true, bro. You can see the shine from a mile away, bro. Like, yeah, literally, 50 half from a mile away and literally see this dude. The way him shine, bro. Like the gold that's alone at this. Bro.
Me live my life so lavish, everything I feel have it. Humble is it all the key, don't leave the front, skid it up.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction video to Prince Swanny. Dude, this, as I said before, it's been so long, bro. So freaking long. Oh wait, there's an extra one here. I'm gonna check out this other one. It's called Bad and Clean. Like how I'm actually doing the